Good day, Miss Lisa. Welcome to the online interview. I am Elena Exilosaro, your interviewer for the scholarship program. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can. Thank you for having me today.
Great. Let's get started. Can you briefly introduce yourself and tell us why you choose education as your career path?
Sure, so I'm Liza Sausaw, a third year education student. I choose education because I believe that teaching shapes the future. So I want to inspire and help children discover their potential just like my teachers did for me when I was young.
That's wonderful. How do you think this scholarship will assist you in your studies and career goals?
So this scholarship will provide financial support allowing me to focus more on my coursework and teaching practice without worrying about expenses. It will also help me and attend extra training session that improve my skills as a future educator.
Can you share an experience that challenged you academically and how you managed it?
So last year, managing online classes while also working part-time with staff, I had to develop strong time management skills, setting daily schedules, and seeking help from my classmates and professors when needed. So it taught me resilience and discipline.
That's impressive, especially adapting to online learning. If awarded the scholarship, how would you give back to your community?
I plan to volunteer in local schools, especially in communities with limited resources, to support students who need extra help. I also want to start tutoring programs to encourage others to stay motivated in their studies.
Thank you, Liza. Is there anything else you'd like to add before we finish?
Just that I'm committed to becoming an effective and compassionate teacher, this scholarship is a vital step to help me reach that goal. Thank you for considering my application, ma'am.
Thank you for your time. We'll notify you about the results soon. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, ma'am.